This is Joy. He started Forex trading months ago. He made his first profit just a week after he got to know about Forex. He has been following signals from one of the online sources. Because he could make small amounts of profits within a shorter period, he was confident that he could win the game of Forex like nothing. He thought, why should I invest a small amount of money and gain small amounts of profits while I am capable of making profits anytime? He put $2,000 and continued to trade. What was the result? Did he make any profits? No, he lost thousands of dollars instead. What happened to him? Why? Number 1. He was so excited about his achievements in Forex, but he lacked knowledge on it. He did not want to study it. Rather, he applied the exact copy of what he did earlier. Number 2. He was so overconfident that he failed to see the trends of market. Number 3. He lost patience. If he had taken time patiently to look into the initiative movements of the trend, he could have understood and predicted of the near futuristic behavior of the market. Number 4. He had a huge greed for money. He could not bear to stand a minute. Number 5. He did not develop his own trading plan by going through a series of demo trading sessions. Because success in Forex takes patience and practice. If he did, he couldn't have lost because he then knows what works with what. Sadly, Joy did not have discipline. Discipline is the first step of winning in Forex. Would you want to be another Joy and lose money, or have discipline to win yourself? That's about Forex disciplines. If you have read the tutorial 8 completely, congratulations! Step into the next tutorial, Forex Market Hours. If not, read the tutorial carefully again, as the lack of knowledge will end in losses.